It's been a great year for AI channels as we've seen dozens of creators grow from zero to hundreds of thousands of subscribers using AI. And while YouTube is rolling out new rules for AI videos, the status quo remains that AI channels will continue to be monetized, and using stock footage like this can still bring millions of views to new channels if they're creative with it. So in this quick video, I'll show you how to stay ahead of the competition in 2024 and make passive income on YouTube while complying with their rules to avoid getting demonetized. This channel was created on the 1st of January 2023 with the primary goal of making history fun and engaging again with short videos. While many channels have come after them following the same approach, no one has reached the same level of success regarding views and subscriber count. So, if you want to grow a channel fast in 2024, my first tip for you is to use a first mover advantage. Remember when AI was blowing up with ChatGPT and Midjourney going viral? Only the few channels that capitalized on the trend were able to grow faster. Some of them stick to the AI news, while others like myself teach people how to use these tools. You've probably seen Matt Wolf, who is arguably the biggest YouTuber in this space, growing his audience rapidly with AI content. But what you may not know is that he was making videos in another niche, and when he saw that the AI videos were performing, he simply switched to that, and now makes tens of thousands of dollars every month. But does this mean if you start a channel on these topics this year, you are not going to make it? Well, no, this is where my second tip comes in, which is to find a competitive advantage. You see, the history niche isn't new. There are many established channels with over 4 million subscribers on YouTube. But instead of competing with them, History Bypass carved out an audience that wants the same information in a fast and easily digestible manner. And what better way to do that other than with short videos? Even better, I've seen many channels do this for different niches like the space niche, the travel niche, the animal niche, and the fact niche. Now, I'm not saying you have to go create a short channel if you don't want to, but you must find a way to be different in your niche. This may be creating topics from a new angle or getting on trends faster than anyone else. For instance, when Google announced the release of Gemini last week, small channels that created videos on it earlier gained a lot of views. Samsung hasn't released the S24, but we've seen small channels already making videos on it and getting up to 90K views. Imagine what will happen when it finally gets released. Joshua Mayo isn't the first to teach people how to make money online, but when he released this video a week before the new year of 2023, the internet went crazy and his channel blew up. With my experience with this niche, only few of those who watch that video will actually take actions, but part of the reason the video performed so well is because of the timing, which brought me to the third tip of this video. Tap on the New Year trends. Many people have New Year resolutions, and the goals have always been the same almost every year. They want to improve their fitness, make more money, improve their mental health, and lose weight. This is why the keyword "how to lose weight" reaches its peak every January and drops as the years goes by. So as a YouTuber who wants to grow faster in 2024, your job is to create videos and provide solutions to these burning questions. A little secret to make this effective is to add the current year in the title or thumbnail. So your videos can be titled 4 AI Side Hustles No One Is Talking About in 2024, or 27 Faceless YouTube Channel Ideas in 2024, which is a video I made following this approach, by the way, and you can watch it after this. It's been said that AI on its own will not replace you, but the person using AI tools will. All of the channels I've shown you are using AI tools to create or assist them in the video production. Even Joshua uses Luminar AI to edit his eye-catchy thumbnails. And as AI tools improve, the smartest way will be to adopt them in your creative process. For instance, creating videos like these viral shorts can be done in seconds using tools like Fliki. You simply need to open a new project, select the portrait size, and start with the idea template. Enter your topic into the pop-up like this, choose the AI art, select the model you want, and click on Submit. Fliki will get to work, and in less than 30 seconds, you'll get a video like this.
Unveiling the mightiest warriors who shaped history. Throughout ages, history has witnessed some formidable warriors. Let's delve into their lives, their conquests, and their indomitable spirit. Firstly, we bring to light the undefeated Mongolian, Genghis Khan. Known for his fierce resilience and military acumen, his empire expanded across Eurasia. Next, we have Alexander the Great, a young conqueror whose ambition led him from Greece to Egypt, India, and beyond, creating an empire unmatched in history.
You see, tools like this give you leverage over your competition because you can create videos faster while they are doing everything manually or using dozens of AI tools. Of course, you can edit the script to add some human touch to it. You can choose different caption styles and fonts on the right, and you can even regenerate AI art for the scenes if you want another version or use your own prompt. In addition, Fliki also has AI avatars that can be useful for longer videos, which you've probably come across on some viral videos on TikTok and YouTube. And with those little changes, the video video has been edited like this in seconds.
3 most fearsome warriors in history. Firstly, we bring to light the undefeated Mongolian Genghis Khan. Known for his fierce resilience and military acumen, his empire expanded across Eurasia. Next, we have Alexander the Great, a young conqueror whose ambition led him from Greece to Egypt, India, and beyond, creating an empire unmatched in history. Then, we explore the samurai world of Japan and meet Miyamoto Musashi. A sword saint and ronin, his prowess in duels remains legendary to this day. But remember, these warriors not only shaped history through their victories.
I'll drop the link to try out Fliki in the description below, and of course it's free to use, but you need to pay to access these features, which is my number 4 tip in this video. Leverage premium AI tools. We've talked about many AI tools on this channel, and some people complained and expected these tools to be 100% free, and I get it. It's hard when you're just starting out with no budget, but what I want you to note is that there's always free alternatives to create most of these videos. For example, what I just showed you can be done with a mix of ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, 11 Labs, Runway, and CapCut. But just look at that, you'll spend more time and effort creating the videos, and some of these tools would still require you to pay. So, if you have limited time and have money to spend on tools like Fliki, it's a no-brainer to have them. So click the first link in the description to try it out. Starting in the early months of 2024, if you're using AI-generated content, you must disclose this when uploading your video, particularly if the video appears realistic. Failure to do this may have your channel get suspended, the video get removed, or even worse, your account could get deleted. On the front end, viewers will be able to see a label that says altered or synthetic content. It's unclear if this is limited to AI avatars and synthesized voiceover, or if it will extend to those using AI to clone their voice and generate animations. So the tip number 5 of this video is to be aware of YouTube rules. This tip doesn't apply to the use of AI only if you're creating videos with copyright content, re-uploading video clips, or creating motivational videos. You must understand how to play fair following YouTube guidelines. If you're creating videos with templates and uploading repetitive content, you must be aware of rules guiding that as well. I'll touch on this better in my next video, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. If you want to see the best channel ideas of 2024 that don't require you to show your face or be on camera, click on this video. And if you learn 1 or 2 things from this one, please give it a thumbs up. Drop your comment below, and thank you for watching.